to marketing, promotions, card price rules. We can see the list of already existing rules and create a new one. So let's see how it works and how we can use it. We have a huge variety of how to configure these promotions, for example, for different websites, customer groups, how to use it like a coupon, and good conditions. For example, I set these promotions for percent of product price discount. I set discount amount, and we will be using this promotion with the coupon code 123. Okay, let's create a new order. Apply our coupon code. We can see that discount value was updated, and let's submit the order and import it to order. Okay, our order was successfully created. So let's go to order. Magento. Receive orders. Here we can see our sell order. And for now we can see the name of our coupon on every product line where we will using it. Here, for example, we can see coupon 123, and for other products where we use our promotion and discount. So this is how it works.